Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Deb. Today's the day I am announcing my design team. How exciting is that? I have never done this before. I've never had a design team before. So I guess we're all going to learn together. So without further ado, I'm just going to name them. They will be linked below, and I hope you go and visit all of their lovely channels. They are worth taking a look if you've never seen them before. So let's get on with it. The first one is, they're not in any particular order, okay? I didn't put them in alphabetical order or anything like that. I've got them on a list and that's it. Nikki, Adegun, and her YouTube name is the same. Susanna Easdale, and her YouTube channel is the same. No, her YouTube channel name is VintageBlendStudio. Debbie Borthwick is DewDropGables. Emily Plowfield is Emmephemera's Treasures. Cindy Burkhalter is BooksByBurk. Diane Hubert, which everyone knows is Diane H on YouTube. Patricia Verimentez, she is the same as her YouTube channel, is the same as her name. Misty Blackburn is Mac Jewelry and More. Jacqueline Wiley, and that is her YouTube channel as well. Dee Dee Farago, and that is her YouTube channel as well. Brenda Dimartino, her YouTube channel is Foxie's Creations by Brenda Dimartino. And Monica Lipscombe, her YouTube channel is BC Doula. Lorie Birkholtz, her YouTube channel is Grammies Keepsakes. Valentina Deker, her YouTube channel is Marieville55. And Annette Poyser, her YouTube channel is Netty's Journal Journey. And that's my design team. I hope that you all go and check them out. They do beautiful work. They're lovely to hear. I know you will enjoy each and every one of them. Thank you, ladies, so much. I look forward to working with you all. And that's it. So, bye for now. Love you all.